We out here, Lake Murray, 4th of July fishing. Let's see if we can get on some fish this morning. Looks like a pretty calm one. A little foggy, but not too bad. You see a little John boat. Got my wife with me. First one's on the lake. It's about 5:15. Let's see if we can get on these fish. For sure they're hiding, but they're hungry. First one. Oh, goodness. Look at that. Thank you. There it is. Stay on, stay on. Look at that. Early morning slabs, baby. There it is. I thought you were on there, bud. That's a nice one. Ooh, I thought you were hiding. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, Dave. Look at that rod. Yay. Oh, no. Ah. Get him tired a little bit. Get him tired. Yep, yep, yep. Go ahead, take some drag. Dang, dude, this guy's fighting. Woo! Come back, come back. He's tired, he's tired. Sir, I need you to come back. Come back to the heart of worship, please. Your friends miss you. That's what you call it, the BFS reel, dog. Come here. Oh, you see that? BFS. Big old boy. Look at this guy. Ah. Yee! Look at that. You fought really good. My rod, you see my rod? Yes, sir. You see it? You see it? Look at that. That's a nice one. On the BFS. Nice. Come with your friends. They fight hard here. I'm not gonna lie with you. These Lake Murray fish are no joke. There he is. Oh. That's not his mother, but I'll take him too. Sir, sir, you're done. It's over. After that big one, got a little guy. There it is, baby. You see it? All right, finally able to do an intro for this video. As soon as we got here, the fish were on. So we got about 3 keepers using the live well for the very first time. It's right there. There's my wife. She's very tired, very sleepy, but she's out here. We got here like at 5 a.m. and Now we're gonna get on some more fish. Lake Murray, La Mesa, California. It's probably the hardest lake, I would say, in the area. But if you come early enough, you can get on them and find them. But we're gonna see if we can get on a few more. There he is. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Yeah, here, golly. Oh, God. Come here. That's a nice one. Golly. Give me the net. Oh my goodness. Oh, get over here. Oh my goodness. GoPro, start recording. Stupid. Jesus. Look at that thing. Look at that GoPro. You finally started recording and look. Whoo. Top water, baby. Top agua. Whoo, there it is. You see it. Put it in the live well. So it seems like they're very heavily on top water now. We got 2 on the top. It's jumping out everywhere. Let's see if we can get a few more. Here's a trick. When they're jumping, you got about 2 seconds to throw whatever bait you're using. I'm using a fluke to where they're jumping. Oh, if you want to catch them. After that, they're gone. And how it goes, as soon as we leave, they're gonna jump where we left from. Look, over there. Crazy. There he is. Got him, baby. Oh, it's a nice one. Let's go. Yes, sir. You're done. It's over. Gotcha. Top water, baby. Top water. Look at that. Look, put him in the live real quick. Recording, keep recording. Look, there he goes. He's funny. Yes. All right, we on another one. Not bad. All right, we got quite a few in the live well. There's about 7 or 8 in there. Some nice ones. All right, y'all. We caught us a nice bag. Hopefully it doesn't rip. Look at that thing. We got about 12 on the day. We didn't keep all of them because they didn't fit in the live well. But we're gonna try and show you each of the fish and then throw them back in. Nice one. Thanks, buddy. Another nice one. Come on. Thanks for playing. Look at that. This one's the smallest one of the day, about 12 and a half, 13 inches. He's gone. Look at that. Thank you. And the 2 biggest ones of the day. Look at these monsters. Look at that. Yes, sir. Pretty solid 4th of July here at Murray. They were on top water for a good amount. All right, time to let these beautiful babies go. That's a beautiful fish right there. Ooh, did you poop? He's pooping a little bit. Don't worry, going back. Together. Together. Bye. There they go. All right, y'all. Well, calling it a day. It's 9 o'clock now here at Murray. We got about 12 on the boat, about 10 keepers. And yeah, 4th of July, Lake Murray. There's not a lot of boats out there. They were on top water a lot. And now it just stopped. So we're gonna go home, cook some steaks, and call it a day. Peace.